Hi students, today we are going to solve 100 sums on integration. These sums will be helpful for you if you are going to write PU2 exam or CET or JEE or any other competitive exams. First, let us start with some important integrals. Integral of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral of dx is equal to x. Integral of cos x is equal to sin x. Integral of sin x is equal to minus cos x. Integral of sec square x is equal to tan x. Integral of cosec square x is minus cot x. Integral of sec x tan x is sec x. Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. Integral of 1 upon x is log mod x. Integral of a raised to x dx is a raised to x divided by log a plus c. Integral of 1 upon root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x. Integral of 1 upon x into root of x square minus 1 is sec inverse x or minus cosec inverse x. Integral of tan x is log mod sec x. Integral of cot x is log mod sin x. Integral of sec x is log mod sec x plus tan x. Integral of cosec x is log mod cosec x minus cot x. Integral of root of x square minus a square is x upon a root of x square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus root of x square minus a square. Integral of root of x square plus a square is x upon 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus root of x square plus a square. Integral of root of a square minus x square is x upon 2 root of a square minus x square plus x square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. Integral of 1 upon a square minus x square is 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon a. Integral of 1 upon root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x upon a plus c. Integral of 1 upon root of x square minus a square is equal to log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Integral of 1 upon root of x square plus a square is equal to log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x. Integral of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Integral of sec x dx is also equal to log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 and integral of cosec x dx is also equal to log mod tan x by 2. You must also know some trigonometric formulas like 1 plus sin 2x is equal to sin x plus cos x the whole square. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Minus 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Now let us go to the first sum. Evaluate. Integral of sin x plus cos x dx. Integral of sin x plus cos x dx is equal to minus cos x plus sin x plus c. Find the integral of cos 2x. Integral of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c. Find the integral of 3x square plus 4x cube. Using the formula integral of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1, we get x cube plus x raised to 4 plus c. Write the integral of 1 upon x into root of x square minus 1. Integral of 1 upon x into root of x square minus 1 is equal to sec inverse x plus c. Evaluate integral of 2 upon x square dx. Using the formula integral of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1, we get the answer minus 2 by x plus c. Find the integral of 2x square plus e raised to x. Integral of 2x square is 2x cube by 3 and e raised to x is e raised to x. Find the integral of e raised to 5x. Integral of e raised to 5x is e raised to 5x divided by 5 plus c. Evaluate integral of x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1. Using the formula, integral of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. You get the answer 3 by 5 x raised to 5 by 3 plus x plus c. Integrate tan square 2x minus 3. Tan square x is also equal to 6 square x minus 1, and integral of 6 square x is tan x and integral of 1 is x. Calculate integral of cosec x into cosec x plus cot x. Open the bracket, we get integral of cosec square x plus cosec x cot x, which is equal to minus cot x minus cosec x plus c. Integrate e raised to x divided by e raised to x plus e. Derivative of e raised to x plus e is equal to e raised to x, and therefore the answer is log e raised to x plus e plus c. Here e is a constant. Integrate 1 upon cos square x into 1 minus tan x the whole square. 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x. Put 1 minus tan x is equal to t. For minus sec square x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes integral of 1 upon t square into minus dt. And we get the answer 1 upon 1 minus tan x plus c. Integrate sin cube x with respect to x. Sin cube x can be written as sin square x into sin x, and sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Put cos x is equal to t, where minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes minus of 1 minus t square into dt. And the answer is minus of cos x minus cos cube x divided by 3 plus c. Integrate sin x into e raised to cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, and therefore we get the answer minus e raised to cos x plus c. Integrate cos x divided by root of 4 minus sin square x. Derivative of sin x is cos x, and therefore we get the answer sin inverse sin x by 2 plus c. Here we have used the formula integral 1 upon root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Find integral of e raised to x sec x into 1 plus tan x. Integral of e raised to x sec x into 1 plus tan x is equal to integral of e raised to x into sec x plus sec x tan x. Here we see that if f of x is equal to sec x, then f dash of x is equal to sec x tan x. Therefore we get the answer e raised to x sec x plus c. Here we have used the formula integral of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Evaluate integral of 1 upon x into 1 plus log x to the base e. Let 1 plus log x is equal to t. Therefore 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes integral of 1 upon t dt, and therefore the answer is log mod 1 plus log x plus c. Evaluate integral of root of ax plus b. Let ax plus b equal to t, and therefore dx is equal to dt by a, and I is equal to integral of root t dt by a, which is equal to 1 upon a t raised to half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. And then finally we get the answer 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Find the antiderivative of root of 1 plus sin 2x. Integral of root of 1 plus sin 2x is equal to integral of sin x plus cos x, which is equal to sin x minus cos x plus c. Here we have used the formula 1 plus sin 2x is equal to sin x plus cos x the whole square. Evaluate integral of 4 divided by 4 plus x square. Integral of 4 upon 4 plus x square is equal to 4 into integral of 1 upon 2 square plus x square, and finally we get the answer 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Evaluate integral of minus 3 tan x dx. Integral of minus 3 tan x dx is equal to minus 3 log mod sec x plus c. Evaluate integral of sin raised to x plus 2 dx. Integral of sin raised to x plus 2 dx can be written as integral of sin raised to x into sin square dx, which is equal to 49 into integral of sin raised to x dx. And finally we get the answer 49 into sin raised to x divided by log 7 plus c. Evaluate integral of cot x plus tan x dx. Integral of cot x is log mod sin x and integral of tan x is log mod sec x. Therefore, we get the answer log mod tan x plus c. Evaluate 3 e raised to x minus 4 by x dx. Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x and integral of 1 upon x is log mod x. And therefore, we get the answer 3 e raised to x minus 4 log mod x plus c. Evaluate integral of 3x plus 4 into x square minus 1. Open the bracket and you get integral of 3x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 4, which is equal to 3 into x raised to 4 by 4 plus 4 into x raised to 3 by 3 minus 3 into x square by 2 minus 4x plus c. Evaluate 1 minus cot x the whole square. Expand by using the formula a minus b the whole square, and then 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x, and then finally we get the answer minus cot x minus 2 log mod sin x plus c. Evaluate integral of x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 e raised to x minus 1 by x. Use the formula integral of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1, and integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. Integral of 1 upon x is log mod x. Therefore, finally we get the answer 2 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 2 e raised to x minus log mod x plus c. Evaluate integral of tan inverse cot x. Tan inverse cot x is equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse cot x, which is equal to pi by 2 minus x. Integral of pi by 2 minus x is equal to pi by 2 x minus x square by 2 plus c. Evaluate integral of sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Split it into two parts, and 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x, 1 upon sin square x is equal to cosec square x, and therefore we get the answer tan x plus cot x plus c. Evaluate integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 theta divided by cos x minus cos theta. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Simplification, and you get 2 into integral of cos x plus cos theta, which is equal to 2 into cos x plus x cos theta. Evaluate integral of e raised to 5 log x minus e raised to 4 log x divided by e raised to 3 log x minus e raised to 2 log x. E raised to 5 log x can be written as e raised to log x raised to 5, and e raised to 4 log x can be written as e raised to log x raised to 4, which is equal to integral of x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 3 minus x raised to 2. Taking x square common, finally we get integral of x square, which is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Evaluate integral of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, and therefore we get integral of 1 upon cos square x, which is equal to integral of c square x, and the answer is tan x plus c. Integrate cos square x divided by 1 minus sin x. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, which is equal to 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. Therefore, we get integral of 1 plus sin x, which is equal to x minus cos x plus c. Integrate root of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Substituting, we get integral of root of tan square x, which is equal to integral of tan x dx, and the answer is log mod sec x plus c. Evaluate integral of cos 2x divided by root of 1 plus sin 2x. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, and 1 plus sin 2x is equal to sin x plus cos x the whole square. And finally we get integral of cos x minus sin x, which is equal to sin x plus cos x plus c. Integrate sec x divided by sec x minus tan x. Multiply the numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x. Simplify and you get integral of sec square x plus integral of sec x tan x, which is equal to tan x plus sec x plus c. Integrate 1 upon sin square x cos square x. 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. Split into two parts, we get integral of 1 upon cos square x plus integral of 1 upon sin square x, which is equal to integral of c square x plus integral of cos square x. And we get the answer tan x minus cot x plus c. Integrate sin x cos x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Therefore, we get half integral of tan x, which is equal to half log sec x plus c. Prove that integral of 1 upon 1 minus cos x is equal to minus cot x by 2 plus c. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Therefore, we get half integral of cosec square x by 2, which is equal to half into minus cot x by 2 divided by half, which is equal to minus cot x by 2 plus c, for LHS is equal to RHS. Integrate cos 4x sin 3x. Here we are going to use the formula 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Using the formula we get half integral of sin 7x minus sin x dx, which is equal to half of minus cos 7x by 7 plus cos x plus c. Integrate cos 10x cos 3x. Here we are going to use the formula 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Hence we get half into integral of cos 13x minus cos 7x, which is equal to half sin 13x by 13 minus sin 7x by 7. Integrate 1 plus tan x whole raised to 7 into sec square x. Put 1 plus tan x is equal to u. Therefore, sec square x dx is equal to du. Therefore, our integral I is equal to integral of u raised to 7 du, which is equal to u raised to 8 by 8. Substituting the value of u, we get 1 plus tan x whole raised to 8 divided by 8 plus c. Integrate x into root of x square plus 9. Put x square plus 9 is equal to t, and therefore 2x dx is equal to dt and x dx is equal to dt by 2. Therefore, our integral becomes half into integral of root t dt, and finally we get the answer 1 upon 3 into x square plus 9 whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Evaluate integral of x square divided by 2 plus x cube. Put 2 plus x cube is equal to t, then our integral I becomes integral of 1 upon t dt by 3, and finally we get the answer 1 upon 3 log mod 2 plus x cube plus c. Evaluate integral of log x the whole square divided by x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and therefore we get the answer 1 upon 3 log x whole cube plus c. Integrate x square plus 1 whole raised to 5 by 2 into 2x. Derivative of x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. Therefore, we get the answer 2 by 7 x square plus 1 whole raised to 7 by 2. Integrate x upon root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of 1 minus x square is equal to minus 2x. And so we get the answer minus root of 1 minus x square plus c. Integrate cos 2x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, and derivative of sin x plus cos x is equal to cos x minus sin x. So we get the answer log sin x plus cos x plus c. Integrate cos 2x divided by 1 plus sin 2x. Derivative of 1 plus sin 2x is equal to 2 cos 2x. Therefore, we get the answer half log 1 plus sin 2x plus c. Here we use the formula integral of f dash of x divided by f of x is equal to log mod fx. Integrate tan inverse x the whole cube divided by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and therefore we get the answer tan inverse x the whole raised to 4 divided by 4 plus c. Find the integral of 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x. Split it into two terms, and we get integral of c square x minus integral of tan x sec x, which is equal to tan x minus sec x plus c. Integrate 1 upon 1 plus 2 e raised to x. Add and subtract 2 e raised to x on the numerator, then we get integral of dx minus integral of derivative of 1 plus 2 e raised to x divided by 1 plus 2 e raised to x, which is equal to x minus log 1 plus 2 e raised to x plus c. Integrate 1 upon x minus x log x. Derivative of 1 minus log x is equal to minus 1 upon x. Therefore, we get the answer minus log mod 1 minus log x plus c. Integrate 1 upon sin inverse x the whole cube into root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, we get the answer minus 1 upon 2 sin inverse x the whole square plus c. Integrate 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x is equal to 1 upon e raised to x. Take LCM and you get integral of e raised to x divided by e raised to x plus 1. Derivative of e raised to x plus 1 is e raised to x, and therefore we get the answer log mod e raised to x plus 1 plus c. Integrate sin x into root of 1 minus cos x. Derivative of 1 minus cos x is equal to sin x. Therefore, we get the answer 1 minus cos x whole raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 minus cos x whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Integrate 1 upon x log square x. Put log x equal to t, therefore 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. And finally, we get the answer minus 1 upon log x plus c. Integrate root of sin 2x into cos 2x. Derivative of sin 2x is equal to 2 cos 2x. Therefore, we get the answer 1 upon 3 sin 2x whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Integrate root tan x divided by sin x into cos x. Divide and multiply by cos x, and you get integral of root tan x divided by tan x into cos square x, which is equal to integral of tan x raised to minus half into derivative of tan x. We get the answer 2 root tan x plus c. Integrate x cube plus x divided by x raised to 4 minus 9. Split into two parts, we get integral of x cube divided by x raised to 4 minus 9 plus integral of x divided by x raised to 4 minus 9. Therefore, finally, we get the answer 1 upon 4 log mod x raised to 4 minus 9 plus half into 1 upon 6 log mod x square minus 3 divided by x square plus 3 plus c. Here we have used the formula integral of 1 upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Evaluate integral of x square plus e raised to log x plus e by 2 whole raised to x dx. E raised to log x is equal to x, and integral of x square is x cube by 3. Integral of x is square by 2. Integral of e by 2 whole raised to x is e by 2 whole raised to x divided by log e by 2. And therefore, finally, we get the answer x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 plus e by 2 whole raised to x divided by 1 minus log 2 plus c, because log e is equal to 1. Integrate e raised to x divided by root of e raised to 2x minus 1. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, and therefore we get the answer log e raised to x plus root of e raised to 2x minus 1 plus c. Here we are using the formula integral of 1 upon root of x square minus a square is equal to log x plus root of x square minus a square. Integrate sin x divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square. Put 1 plus cos x is equal to t, then minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes minus integral of dt by t square, and therefore the answer is 1 upon 1 plus cos x plus c. Evaluate integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x. Splitting the terms, we get integral of x cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x. Which is equal to integral of x raised to 5 by 2 plus 3 into integral of x raised to 1 by 2 plus 4 into integral of x raised to minus half. And finally, we get the answer 2 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2 plus 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 plus 8 into x raised to 1 by 2 plus c. Find the integral of x cube minus 1 divided by x square. Splitting the terms, we get integral of x dx minus integral of x raised to minus 2 dx, which is equal to x square by 2 plus 1 by x plus c. Integrate x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Factorize the numerator and we get integral of x square plus 1 dx, which is equal to x cube by 3 plus x plus c. Integrate sec square x divided by cosec square x. Sec square x is equal to 1 upon cos square x, and cosec square x is equal to 1 upon sin square x. Therefore, we get integral of tan square x, which is equal to integral of sec square x minus 1 Finally, we get the answer tan x minus x plus c. Evaluate integral of e raised to x into x plus 1. Derivative of x is 1 and therefore this is of the form integral of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x dx, which is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Therefore we get the answer x e raised to x plus c. Evaluate integral of cosec square x by 2 dx. Put x by 2 is equal to t, then dx is equal to 2 dt. Integral of cosec square t is minus cot t, and therefore we get the answer minus 2 cot x by 2 plus c. Evaluate integral of 1 minus x into root x dx. Opening the bracket, we get integral of x raised to half minus x raised to 3 by 2, which is equal to x raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into x raised to 5 by 2 plus c. Evaluate integral of root of ax plus b. Put ax plus b is equal to t, then dx is equal to dt by a. Put integral of root t dt by a, which is equal to 1 upon a t raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. Which is equal to 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Evaluate integral of a raised to x into e raised to x dx. Integral of ae whole raised to x dx, which is equal to ae raised to x divided by log ae plus c. We use the formula integral of a raised to x dx is equal to a raised to x divided by log a plus c. Integrate sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Multiply and divide by 1 minus cos x. Then we get integral of sin x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x. Which is equal to integral of cosec x minus cot x, which is equal to log cosec x minus cot x minus log sin x plus c. Integrate tan inverse cosec x minus cot x. Cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x, cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. Take the LCM. 1 minus cos x is equal to sin square x by 2. Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. We get integral of tan inverse tan x by 2, which is equal to x by 2. Therefore, we get the answer half x square by 2 plus c, or x square by 4 plus c. Integrate cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. Here we use the formula 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Using the formula, we get half into integral of cos 8x cos 4x plus cos square 4x. Which is equal to 1 by 4 into x plus sin 4x by 4 plus sin 8x by 8 plus sin 12x by 12 plus c. Integrate sin raised to 4x. Sin raised to 4x can be written as sin square x the whole square, which is equal to half into 1 minus cos 2x the whole square. And that is equal to 1 upon 4 into integral of 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus half into 1 plus cos 4x dx. Here we have used the formula 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Finally, we get the answer 1 by 4 into 3x by 2 minus sin 2x plus sin 4x divided by 8 plus c. Integrate 1 upon 1 plus e raised to x into 1 plus e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x can be written as 1 upon e raised to x. Take the LCM and we see that derivative of 1 plus e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. And therefore we get the answer minus 1 upon 1 plus e raised to x plus c. Integrate 4x square divided by 1 minus 8x cube the whole raised to 4. Put 1 minus 8x cube is equal to t. Then 4x square dx is equal to minus dt by 6. Substituting, we get minus 1 by 6 integral of t raised to minus 4 dt. Finally, we get the answer minus 1 upon 18 into 1 minus 8x cube the whole cube plus c. Integrate x cube minus 1 whole raised to 1 by 3 into x raised to 5. Put x cube minus 1 equal to t, then x cube is equal to t plus 1. X square dx is equal to dt by 3. Substituting, we get 1 by 3 integral of t raised to 4 by 3 plus t raised to 1 by 3. Integrating, we get 1 by 7 x raised to 3 minus 1 whole raised to 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 x cube minus 1 raised to 4 by 3 plus c. Integrate 1 upon cos square x into 1 minus tan x the whole square. One upon cos square x is equal to sec square x. Put 1 minus tan x is equal to t minus sec square x dx is equal to dt. Finally, we get the answer 1 upon 1 minus tan x plus c. Integrate cos cube x into sin x. Cos cube x into sin x can be written as cos square x into cos x into sin x. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Put sin x is equal to t, then cos x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes integral of 1 minus t square into t dt. Finally, we get the answer cos square x divided by 2 minus cos raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Integrate e raised to 1 upon x divided by x square. Put t is equal to 1 upon x and dt is equal to minus of 1 upon x square dx. I is equal to integral of e raised to t into minus dt, which is equal to minus e raised to 1 upon x plus c. Integrate 4 raised to log x divided by x. Put t is equal to log x and dt is equal to 1 upon x dx. I is equal to integral of 4 raised to t dt, and finally we get the answer 4 raised to log x divided by log 4 plus c. Integrate cos log x divided by x. Put log x is equal to t, then 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. I is equal to integral of cos t dt, or which is equal to sin t plus c, or sin log x plus c. Integrate cot of sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Put sin inverse x is equal to t, 1 upon root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. And I is equal to integral of cot t dt, which is equal to log of mod x plus c. Integrate x cubed divided by root of 4 minus x raised to 8. Put x raised to 4 is equal to t, then x cubed dx is equal to dt by 4. Therefore, our integral I becomes integral of 1 upon root of 4 minus t square dt by 4. And get the answer 1 upon 4 sin inverse x raised to 4 by 2 plus c. Here we have used the formula integral of 1 upon root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse x upon a plus c. Evaluate integral of x cube sin tan inverse x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. Put tan inverse x raised to 4 is equal to t. Then 4 x raised to 3 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8 dx is equal to dt. Substituting, we get integral of sin t into dt by 4, which is equal to minus of 1 upon 4 cos tan inverse x raised to 4 plus c. Evaluate integral of root of sin 2x into cos 2x dx. Put sin 2x is equal to t, then cos 2x into 2 dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes integral of root t dt by 2, and we get the answer 1 upon 3 sin 2x whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Integrate sec square x divided by 25 minus 16 tan square x. Our integral becomes integral of sec square x divided by 5 square minus 4 tan x the whole square dx. Put 4 tan x is equal to t. Then sec square x dx is equal to dt by 4. Our integral becomes integral of 1 upon 5 square minus t square into dt by 4. Therefore, we get the answer 1 upon 40 log 5 plus 4 tan x divided by 5 minus 4 tan x plus c. Here we have used the formula integral of 1 upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Integrate 2 sin x cos x divided by cos raised to 4x plus sin raised to 4x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos raised to 4x and get integral of 2 tan x c square x divided by 1 plus tan raised to 4x dx. Put tan square x is equal to t, then 2 tan x c square x is equal to dt. Our integral becomes integral of dt by 1 plus t square, which is equal to tan inverse t plus c. Substituting for t, we get tan inverse tan square x plus c. Integrate e raised to a log x plus e raised to x log a. E raised to a log x is equal to e raised to log x raised to a, which is equal to x raised to a. Similarly, e raised to x log a is equal to e raised to log a raised to x, which is equal to a raised to x. And finally, we get the answer x raised to a plus 1 divided by a plus 1 plus a raised to x divided by log a plus c. Integrate 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. Splitting the terms, we get integral of 2 by cos square x minus integral of 3 sin x by cos square x, which is equal to 2 into integral of sec square x minus 3 into integral of sec x tan x is equal to 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. Integrate 1 upon x into root of log x plus 1. Derivative of log x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, we get the answer 2 into root of log x plus 1 plus c. Integrate sin raised to 6x divided by cos raised to 8x. Cos raised to 8x is split into cos raised to 6x into cos square x. 1 upon cos square x is equal to 6 square x. Therefore, we get integral of tan raised to 6x into derivative of tan x, which is equal to tan raised to 7x by 7 plus c. Integrate cot x log sin x. Derivative of log sin x is equal to cot x. Therefore, we get the answer half log sin x whole square plus c. Integrate 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. Put 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to t. Then we get 2 into 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes integral of 1 upon t into dt by 2, which is equal to half log mod t plus c, which is equal to half log 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. Integrate 1 upon cos square x into 1 minus tan x the whole square. 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x. Put 1 minus tan x is equal to t. Then minus sec square x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes integral of 1 upon t square into minus dt, which is equal to minus of t raised to minus 2 dt. You get the answer 1 upon 1 minus tan x plus c. Integrate 1 upon 1 minus tan x. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Take the LCM and simplify. Put cos x minus sin x is equal to t. Then minus sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt. Our integral becomes half of minus dt by t plus half of integral of dx. And finally we get the answer x by 2 minus half log cos x minus sin x plus c. Find the integral of tan cube 2x into sec 2x. Tan cube 2x is written as tan square 2x into tan 2x, and tan square 2x is equal to sec square 2x minus 1. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, and therefore we get the answer 1 upon 6 sec cube 2x minus 1 upon 2 into sec 2x plus c. You can also visit my YouTube channel Malti for 100 sums on differentiation for competitive exams. All the best, students. If you found this video useful, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you.